Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to pump without stress and share a simple real-time pumping guide that can help make your sessions feel more comfortable and relaxed. Many mothers worry too much during pumping sessions. They watch the bottle constantly, compare results, or feel pressure to collect a certain amount. Over time, this can make pumping feel more stressful than it needs to be. Before starting, take a few moments to prepare your space. Make sure your pump is clean, your storage containers are ready, and everything you need is within reach. Next, find a comfortable place to sit. A relaxed position can make the entire session feel easier and more enjoyable. When you begin pumping, start with a gentle setting and allow your body time to adjust. There is no need to rush the process or immediately increase the settings. During the session, try not to focus on the amount being collected every few seconds. Many mothers find that they feel more relaxed when they focus on the routine rather than the numbers. Some mothers like to listen to music, watch a favorite show, read a book, or simply enjoy a few quiet moments while pumping. If one session feels different from another, do not panic. Daily variations are completely normal and are part of many mothers' pumping journeys. Staying hydrated, eating balanced meals, and getting rest whenever possible can also help support a comfortable pumping routine. Remember that pumping is not a competition. Every mother's experience is unique, and progress is often measured over time rather than during a single session. With patience, consistency, and a calm mindset, pumping can become a much more peaceful and manageable part of daily life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.